In this video, I'll guide you through how to enable a passkey on eBay. This is a fantastic way to enhance the security of your account, ensuring that your personal information and purchases are safeguarded. So, let's dive right in and make sure your eBay account is as secure as possible. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to eBay's website by typing in ebay.com. Once the page loads and you're staring at the familiar eBay homepage, you're ready to move on to the next step. It's always a good idea to ensure that you're logged into your account before proceeding, as this will make the process smoother. If you're not already signed in, just click the sign in button and enter your credentials. Now, once you're logged in, take a look at the top left corner of the page. You should see your profile name displayed there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From this menu, you'll want to select Account Settings. This is where you can manage all the important aspects of your eBay account. In the account settings, you'll see several categories on the left side of the screen. Click on Personal Info. This is where you can update your personal details and manage your security settings, which is exactly what we need for enabling a passkey. After you've clicked on Personal Info, look for the Sign In and Security section. This is the hub for all things related to your account's security, from password changes to security questions. Click on Sign In and Security to proceed. Now, within the Sign In and Security section, you will find an option for Passkey. This feature allows you to use a passkey as an additional layer of security when accessing your account. It's a simple yet effective way to protect your eBay presence. Click on Turn On next to the passkey option. This will take you to a page where you can set up your passkey. Once you're on the passkey setup page, you'll see a button labeled Create. Click on it to begin the process of generating your unique passkey. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Depending on your device, you may have different options for creating a passkey, such as using a fingerprint, facial recognition, or a PIN. Choose the method that works best for you and follow through with the prompts. And there you have it. Your eBay account is now protected with a passkey, adding an extra layer of security beyond just your password. This means that even if someone gets a hold of your password, they won't be able to access your account without the passkey. It's a simple step, but it makes a big difference in keeping your account secure. Remember, keeping your online accounts secure is more important than ever, and enabling features like a passkey can provide peace of mind. If you run into any issues during the setup process, eBay's customer support is always a good resource to reach out to for help. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on keeping your digital life secure. See you in the next video.